Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Netflix to your LG Smart TV so you can stream all your favorite movies, TV shows, and Netflix originals directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV and ensure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. Press the Home button on your LG remote to open the main menu. Step 3. Navigate to the LG Content Store where you can browse and download apps for your LG Smart TV. Step 4. Use the search function and type Netflix using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Select the official Netflix app from the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct app. Step 6. Click on Install to download Netflix to your LG Smart TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, return to your LG home screen and you will see the Netflix icon among your apps. Step 8. Open the Netflix app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Netflix account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the Netflix app on your home screen and move it to a convenient location so you can access it quickly. That's it! Netflix is now installed on your LG Smart TV, and you're ready to enjoy hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.